Today we are making a recipe of potato wedges. So for the ingredients, taken for the cut potatoes. So for the ingredients, see here I taken for garam masala, pepper powder, chili powder, salt to taste, corn flour and cooking oil. In the bowl, I'll add for the, this is for raw potatoes. So here I can add for the salt to taste. This is for garam masala powder. As per your taste you can add it. This is for pepper powder. Chili powder. Two spoons of corn flour. So 1 spoon of cooking oil. So this we can mix well. See now the masala. See, this is masala mixed well. So now I am shifting to multi-cook pan. Just you can spread it evenly here. So this we can use it for the high grill rack with the multi-cook pan. So here we can selection grill combination 2. Enter, set the time for 15 to 16 minutes. So use it for the high grill rack with the multi-cook pan. We'll keep inside, close the door. So 16 minutes set it, then I can press start the button. So last 4 minutes 30 seconds is there. So once in between once, whatever I get for the 16 minutes time, in between once we'll open, stir it and keep it back again. See now it will be get done. So because here you are using for the grill combination, so we need for the both the side browning efficiency, just we stir it and keep it back again for this. When you turn and keep, it will become for the both the side, the browning efficiency will come on this. I'll keep inside, close the door, continue for timing. So your potato wedges is ready. So very less oil. So crispy potato wedges is ready.
Oh my god. Stop video.
Thank you. So you want to more recipe, please subscribe the channel.